So today we have a air conditioner heaven. We have a 1.5 ton Goodman that's all beaten up, and we have our own very first differential, which is also beaten up, and a reams, and we also have this ream in classic, and this little ream coupled screw compressor. I'm not going to take a look at those other units because there's people at those windows, and that's the one that get busted. That's data. Hasn't been running. Coupled screw compressor, I think. Yeah, it is. It's a capacitor. Or the capacitor for its size. This differential has a enormously large coupled screw compressor. So does this Goodman. Then this ream has coupled reciprocating compressor. And this has a Emerson. This one has an Emerson screw compressor. This one is going to be replaced very soon because it's a 19th screw. It's a junk control. Some of my YouTube friends call it. They call these junk controls. We got this new Mitsubishi ductless unit. You just installed this the other past following week. This is also an Emerson scroll. This one is also ooh. The central is actually just turned on. Kind of shaking. It's all heating up. Very lucky.